Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Vertical displacement problems can be tricky, but we can solve this fast. Let's look at the velocity graph to find the total change in position. First, remember that vertical displacement is the integral of the velocity function over time. On a graph, this means we need to calculate the area between the curve and the axis. During interval 1, the ball moves upward, so the area is positive. However, in interval 2, the ball moves downward, which means that specific area represents a negative vertical displacement value. To find total displacement, subtract the downward area from the upward area. This makes option D the final answer for this physics problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust given data to avoid a rush.